Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing an API key and placing it in environment variables so your app can call the model safely. Next, choose a model based on latency, cost, and capability. Test two options with the same prompt to compare. Then, scaffold a minimal server and build one conversational endpoint that accepts user input, sends prompts, and returns model output. This gets you from zero to a working loop quickly, so you can iterate fast. Once you have a prototype, focus on prompt engineering and context management so responses stay relevant. Create a system message, few-shot examples, and tune temperature and max tokens. This shapes tone and accuracy. Meanwhile, implement conversation state. Keep recent messages for context and store essential user facts in persistent memory. Integrate embeddings with a vector database to retrieve documents for retrieval-augmented generation, which reduces hallucinations and improves factuality. To finish, deploy your chatbot with authentication, HTTPS, and sensible rate limits so production runs securely and predictably. Add logging, metrics, and alerting for cost, latency, and error rates, and implement a simple caching layer for repeated queries to save tokens and money. Collect user feedback and iterate on prompts or fine-tuning data. If things go wrong, check API rate limits and token usage first. Often misconfigured pagination or unbounded history causes failures, so trim context and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.